Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Growing Writers, the series that explores connections between gardening and writing. Today's title, we'll call this episode Tools. Okay, and I've just been working this morning, Saturday morning, nice sunny clear air, working on odds and ends. Okay, so here are some tools. I'm not going to go through each one of them, but starting with the water on the left, and then various pruning mechanisms, various sizes, some gloves, sledgehammer to put in a pole to prop up a plant, and I'll show you the plant there. We'll go past the jasmine, and then this plant with the white band is a gardenia, and here's the other one over there, and I've been pruning these. The white band is to help this one stand up straighter. It's been leaning over. So those are a couple things I've been working on, and then when you come here you see various items. There's a downed oak branch that I'll cut up and use in the chimenea, the little fireplace we have, and then clippings from the gardenia and some roses, the cart, and then here's what I was just recently working on, these two rose bushes, pruning them and clearing out the underbrush, put some fresh soil. And I guess the point I wanted to make today about the gardening, and I'll let you handle the metaphor this time, but it's a wonderful morning, beautiful air, and I get no further than the gardenias and I work on those, and then I see that the roses need pruning and I just have to walk about 4 or 5 steps, and so there's plenty to do, plenty of tools, and it's all very enjoyable, okay, and just to watch things grow. So I guess I would leave you with this thought. You might have several writing projects in your metaphorical yard, and if you have the time, just enjoy the one and then move to the next. You don't have to finish it necessarily, just prune off some dead branches, put on some fresh soil, and give it a chance to grow, and you can come back and work on it later. Okay, so enjoy the writing, and we'll see you next time on Growing Writers. Bye-bye.